WIMI Hologram Academy, the application of AR technology in sports. AR is a technology that skillfully integrates virtual information with the real world, widely using multimedia, 3D modeling, real-time tracking and registration, intelligent interaction, sensing and other technical means to simulate computer-generated text, images, 3D models, music, video and other virtual information, and then apply it to the real world, with the two types of information complementing each other, thus realizing the augmentation of the real world. The two types of information complement each other, thus realizing the enhancement of the real world. Scientists from WIMI Hologram Academy of WIMI Hologram Cloud have been studying the application of AR technology in sports. Augmented reality is not new to the sports industry. We used to using augmented reality content in videos to enhance the live experience. Nevertheless, we can still consider it not really an augmented reality technology because it is not interactive and relevant to each user's point of view. Our technology is evolving rapidly, and today, AR is more interactive, allowing users to display content on their smartphones or smart glasses. And these devices can immediately recognize the area where the user is and interact with the real world. Let's take a look at some of the most interesting uses of augmented reality technology in sports. Now and in the near future, this is one of the first applications of augmented reality to guide people on the street by tracking the path in AR through GPS. In the stadium, augmented reality can provide an interactive way for every visitor to navigate, helping them find a seat, join their friends, or discover their location more easily. Augmented reality content will be used to entertain fans, but also improve the movement of customers around the arena. Augmented reality offers the possibility of displaying content on the field during non-game play. For example, before a game, the two teams' formations can be displayed on any cell phone, allowing fans to understand and discuss the composition of the teams. Inside the stadium, it is also possible to display key game information, including scores or the game history of both teams, just as one would at home, with broadcasters displaying these elements via video during breaks. For some other games, such as golf, cycling or car races, it is also possible to create a different map or tracked AR view, allowing people to discover the idiosyncrasies with curved paths, elevations, distances, or follow a map of the athletes having live tracking throughout the event. One of the major recent innovations in sports is the use of trackers, computer vision and artificial intelligence to analyze the performance of athletes at all levels. It has completely changed the way athletes train, scout and make decisions, and will also change the way people watch sporting events. With the possibility of displaying AR graphics on the field, fans will have everything they need to better understand how players move around the field, their favorite shot placement, and the setup of the defensive line. AR on the field will be the best way to enhance the real game with high-end graphics. Just like in a video game, fans will have the opportunity to interact with players and events on the field, displaying the information they want. Augmented reality to engage fans through social media activation. Social media is becoming very important in every team's and league's communication strategy, and not just on game day. During the COVID-19 epidemic and global event lockout, social media platforms were the only way to interact with fans and provide them with content. With augmented reality technology, the sports industry will also find a whole new way to engage their fans and create a personalized experience for them. For example, during global matches, filters on some professional cameras software can display the colors of their favorite team or country, or camera lenses can allow fans to take photos in 3D next to their favorite players. For fans who can't make it to the stadium, immersive experiences are now a huge trend as well. With AR, you can bring the atmosphere of the game home, with stereoscopic videos of athletes displayed directly in fans' living rooms. AR portals that give them access to the stadium through 360-degree video, and the ability to display the stadium or scoreboard directly on their desktops. The sports industry is also a huge opportunity. Fans can now choose which jersey they want to buy by having a 3D image displayed in front of them, or they can try on sneakers in augmented reality to help them make a decision. They can also interact with the player and easily access the team's store by clicking directly to find the sneakers or clothes the player is wearing. AR will also open up new possibilities for teams and leagues to increase advertising revenue through AR in stadiums or different content displayed in 3D. It will also be more attractive for fans to get personalized ads based on their favorite teams and interests, since athletes need to constantly learn and improve their performance. AR could be a powerful ally in the future in different ways. The AR technology works with computer vision and machine learning models to analyze what is happening through the camera. So it will be able to recognize body posture and movement in real time, allowing athletes to better measure their performance after a session. It will also enhance their training sessions. For example, by showing 3D content that they must touch or bypass, or by simulating on-court movements in AR showing the correct ball trajectory. For example, with the introduction of smart glasses, this will also be a way to display a lot of information and statistics in front of their eyes without needing a smartphone, smartwatch or other screen close to them. For example, we can imagine swimmers displaying their speed, position relative to other competitors, heart rate, etc., right on their glasses. In short, as our technology develops, the application of our technology in sports will become more and more widespread. The development of software and hardware will provide us with even better visual and sensory enjoyment.